At 9:01, almost everybody was in the building and preparing for their day at work. At 9:03, the fertilizer bomb detonated and 183 people were killed and about 500 were injured. The Merrill Federal Building was 9 floors, and the seats that you see here are arranged with 9 floors, and there is a seat for each person that was killed. The tall seats are for the adults, and the small seats are for the children. And at night, the seats are lit, and there's not a sound in that area. Everybody is just so overwhelmed. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.